Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Ford Edge hood. First, sit in the driver's seat and look down to your left, near the pedals or steering column. You'll find a small lever, often marked with a car icon showing an open hood. Pull this lever firmly towards you until you hear a clear pop sound from the front of your vehicle. This indicates the primary latch has released. Now, step out of your vehicle and walk to the front. The hood will be slightly ajar, but not fully open. Gently lift the hood a few inches and reach your hand underneath the center of its front edge. You will feel for a small safety lever or tab. This secondary latch prevents the hood from accidentally flying open while driving. To fully open the hood, push the secondary release lever to your left while simultaneously lifting the hood upwards. Once it's open, find the metal prop rod, usually clipped to the underside of the hood. Unclip it and firmly insert its end into the designated hole within the engine bay. This ensures the hood remains safely open while you work, preventing any accidental closures. When you are finished, carefully unclip the prop rod and secure it back into its storage clips on the underside of the hood. Then, gently lower the hood most of the way down. When it's about 8 to 12 inches from being fully closed, release it. Allow the hood to drop under its own weight to ensure it latches securely. Give it a quick check to confirm it's fully closed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.